Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so the restore can proceed cleanly. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID and that Contacts is enabled in iCloud settings. This ensures source data is accessible. Next, check for a recent iCloud backup or an iTunes/Finder backup on your computer because you'll need a snapshot to restore from. If you use Gmail or Exchange for contacts, temporarily disable those accounts to prevent sync conflicts. Once done, you're ready to choose the restore path. Now proceed with the chosen method and follow exact steps carefully. If you prefer selective recovery, sign into iCloud. Go to Account Settings and use Restore Contacts to pick a date. This merges restored contacts into iCloud. For a full device restore, backup current data, then erase the iPhone and restore from the iCloud backup during setup. This replaces device data with the backup state. Alternatively, connect to your computer and restore from an iTunes or Finder backup. Make sure the backup date contains the missing contacts before restoring. Finish by verifying contacts on the device and iCloud. If you erase the phone, complete setup and sign into iCloud so contact syncs. If some entries are still missing, try restoring a different iCloud snapshot or an older computer backup because different timestamps may hold the lost items. Make sure to re-enable your email or third-party accounts and force a sync by toggling contacts off and on. If all else fails, consider reputable recovery software as a last resort. But be careful with data privacy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.